After working for a year with the fishing communities of the Colombian Pacific coast, we have made unprecedented strides to protect one of the most threatened sharks in the world. The scalloped bonnethead shark is the smallest hammerhead species. Artisanal fisheries along the eastern Pacific coast have led this species to a population reduction of more than 90%, disappearing from most of the original distribution range. However, no recovery or conservation programs are currently in place, and the lack of ecological knowledge on this species hampers conservation efforts until now.
In the past year, with the support of the Explorers Club and Discovery Expedition grant, we have been able to track the movements of over 30 sharks for an entire year, and the results are nothing less than incredible. As it turns out, these hammerhead sharks have one of the highest residency for any shark species, meaning they move very little and they stay in one single place for most of the time, which gives us the smallest home range for any shark species out there. Our results highlight unique conservation opportunities for these small hammerhead sharks and also highlight how vulnerable they are to a small fishing effort. On one hand, a small targeted fishing effort with gill nets or long lines in this high occurrence area can wipe out an entire population in very little time. On the other hand, small MPAs can be established with local communities and protect one of the last habitat refuges for this species. In our case, we have been working with the local communities hand by hand for the past year, and we have come to an agreement to declare this area the first MPA towards the protection of small hammerhead sharks ever in the world. Our proposed project for this grant will allow us to delineate the new MPA, create a monitoring array to assess the level of protection of this new MPA for these sharks, create tagging programs with the community to increase buy-in, but also assess the number of sharks in the area. Finally, we will work together with the local schools to teach the next generation of hammerhead guardians to protect the last habitat refuge. This project gives us hope for the future of one of the most threatened sharks in the world.